What's up guys? So ayan, for today's video ay meron tayong photoshoot with Create TV and management. And kasama natin ngayon si Ma'am Ami Pablo ba? Ay Ma'am Ami, hello po. Ayan. Siya yung aming official makeup artist dito. Samahan niyo kami. Let's go! Ayan. Let's go guys, nag-start na sila ng photoshoot. And then, so tayo is magpaparetouch lang. Tanggal lang ng blemishes guys. So update ko kayo mamaya. Let's go! Hey! Makeup tutorial pala no?